James with Explorer Americana here. We are here down in the West Bottoms of Kansas City, Missouri. This is, I would say, a second part to the video I did earlier. And check this building out. Ghost sign there. Looks like oil pull tractors. Check out the statue there. Looks like it says dance. That's pretty neat. We're here, this antiques building. It's got a plethora of ghost signs on it. Kind of hard to make out. Background, there's the big tower, it says Stowe on it. Over here, a low flying plane coming in. Got the John Deere Plow Company. I'll zoom in on that. Which is now a place called the Beast. Got the Rustic Vintage Rose, another antique shop across the way. So many cool buildings down here. Take a little walk around the block here. Like over here we have Central Bag Company. That's a super cool building. Wonder what it used to be back in the day. What if it was the Central Bag Company? Again, here got the Stowe Hardware Company. Oh man, I wonder what this place is. Something Cabinet Company. Can't make it out completely. If you guys can, let me know in the comments below. It's definitely oh man, check this place. Central Bag Company. Check this building out. Wow. Place called Stuffology. Love these old buildings. The architecture of them, the stories behind them. Just check out the front of this one. Built in 1903. It's the West Bottoms Market. It's like an antique vintage shop. Wow. Cool chandelier hanging out in the entryway. Serendipity. Wow. Lots of neat things. They're not open yet. Okay, it's called Serendipity. Wow. Skulls. Yeah, neat little antique store. Have to go in here and check it out when they're open sometime. Walk across the street here and check this place out. Ah, West Bottoms Whiskey Company. Okay. Love me a good whiskey. Place called Wicket Salon and Barber Collection. Ah, I've done the, was it the red, white, and blue pole? They got the black and white barber pole. Oh, I don't know if you guys can see it. I'm gonna try to zoom in on it. Way over there on top of something, got a cow statue. That's pretty cool. Got a place called the Quincy Building, established in 1888. Okay, well, now we know. Pretty neat. All right. See the Nichols Equipment Company. A mural there. Big 12 conference. I don't know how old that is. I really don't follow basketball, so got a better perspective of this building though. Quite old. The Oliver Building. There's a place called the Java Garage. Oh, check this out. So this so the West Bottoms used to be where the original train station was, but they had a massive flood. And this right here, I believe, is the high water mark from that first flood, from that flood back then. Just imagine, it came all the way, give you a better perspective. Came all the way up there, and I'm down here on the street level. That is pretty high. That's pretty neat. Gotta get some rabbits. That's got a moss covered couch or sofa. Some stickers here on this gas meter. Place called the Robin's Nest. Similar type of building across the way. And someone is getting ready to making some barbecue. This is part of the John Deere company. The West Bottoms Treasures on 13th. I'll check out on the back side of this building. I'll check out the old tractors back there. There's a Muay Thai gym across the way. And Rex's Vintage Clothing. I don't know what this guy's doing. But good juju. You just can't tell how massive these buildings are till you get right up next to them. Here's the front part of the place called Good Juju. Really not sure what it is. I'll have to, if anybody knows, let me know in the comments below. Love that John Deere building. So neat. And you see how these walkway in between the two main buildings of the old John Deere factory. I'm guessing it's a factory. I might be wrong. It's been known to happen. I've been wrong once or twice before. This old wall down here. I still can't get over this building. So last time, yeah, we were over on that side by the, I'm gonna call it the aqueduct, or the, whatever you want to call it. All right, guys, that does it here in the West Bottoms in Kansas City, Missouri. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this content, please hit that like and subscribe button to keep up with future videos. And as always, keep exploring.